back to the channel. Yes, OMI has made a sharp move to the upside. We're going to get into that shortly. Everything that I said in my previous video is now happening. So you guys can see that this isn't just, us making stuff up as we go along. This is, we prepared and then we act on that plan. Now, with that being said, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and as always, click the bell notification icon so you can stay up to date on all my recent videos. Remember, guys, nothing that you see in this video is financial advice. So always make sure to do your own research. Remember, click the link in my description, join our Telegram group so you can stay up to date on all our recent gems, updates, news updates, and of course, if you want these juicy targets and more in-depth research on all our cryptocurrency gems and under the radar gems, which we have posted in our premium channel, click the link in my description and sign up to that link below. Now, with that being said, guys, as you can see, price has clear as day, rejected our 61.8 fib level, which I said would occur. Now, if you did buy at that level, that's a 34% gain so far. Now, let's just go on the 1 day time frame and currently see what's happening. So, of course, price did reject this area. So we saw a rejection of this area, which I'm going to highlight for you guys. Let's just draw out the tool. We saw price comfortably reject this area as well. Let's just... Okay, I'm going to circle that for you all now, just so you can have a look at what's going on there. We'll turn that red. So price has rejected this area. So does this mean that we're out of the danger zone just yet? No, we still need to go above that 1 cent area. I wouldn't really, this is not room to celebrate. This is just a breath of fresh air, or a deep breath, for the fact that we didn't close below this. Because as I did mention, if we did close below this area and prices start to tank, we would have seen price go all the way back to our break-even area. Now, as I said before, this is not necessarily a bad thing, because obviously it means that we can restock our entry price, which means we can essentially double up if we wanted to. However, to be honest with you guys, I think this has been down long enough, so we're happy to see it snap back, and it looks like we are going to see a trend reversal at this point. And we're also sitting on a trend line, which I can draw out for you guys as well, just so you're clear on what's happening. We're also sitting comfortably on a trend line where we're likely to see the bounce as well, just so you guys know this isn't random. And I'm going to do that light green for you guys, right? So let's go back on the daily, have a look at what's going on, and let's zoom out. So from this level, we should start to see price trend to the upside. Now, for us to really see the move that we want, there has to be some fundamental data in play there. We're still apparently waiting for a major news, ECOMI news, so we're gonna have to see what that is. But whatever the news is, it looks like it could help with the technicals, right? So any bit of good fundamental data will essentially push price up at this area. Buyers need any reason to push price up, and what you're seeing as well is human psychology, right? You're not just, remember guys, these candlestick patterns are psychology, right? Key levels of support, resistance, which is why we see price reject at these key significant areas. They're not an accident, especially on these round numbers. It's not an accident. It's human psychology, right? So we should see price start to rally at this level now. If you didn't restock at this level, would I still restock here? I personally would only buy here if I didn't own any OMI coins at the moment. But we're almost out the danger zone, guys. We're almost out the danger zone. Once we see a full close above the 50, and then we start to make our move up to the 38.2, we're smooth sailing, right? We should start to see this trend and go up for its next leg, and then obviously we can start to have the same conversation maybe a month from now when price pulls back, and it'll be a new wave of traders, wondering what on earth is going on. So like I said, guys, this is a cryptocurrency that I'm going to be in for quite some time. So stay tuned with more updates, guys, because we're going to update on this more often. Like I said, whether price goes up or down, for the short term is irrelevant, because as you all already know, I'm holding this for the long term. So even if price was to rally all the way up to 2 cents, it wouldn't make it. Of course, I'd be happy, but at the same time, it would just be numbers on the screen, because I'm still not going to cash out, right? Now, we're going to do something a little different here. I want to know more about you guys and your journey so far. So comment below. Tell me, when did you buy your OMI coins? Why did you buy your OMI coins? And how long are you planning to hold? Also, if you haven't bought OMI yet, tell me why. What projects are you looking at? Are you in this for the NFTs? Are you in this for just the price action? Do you use the app? Let's connect. Tell me more. And remember, guys, click the link in my description. Join that Telegram group so you can stay up to date on all our recent gems. And let's stay connected. With that being said, guys, when others are fearful, be greedy. When others are greedy, be fearful. Speak to you all soon. Seize the day.